Thanks for choosing Vaportek. This video product guide will outline the similarities and differences among our electric and battery-operated systems, the difference between those that are for industrial use and those that are for commercial and/or residential use, and show how the systems are loaded. For an explanation of how our pioneering dry vapor technology works, which is utilized in each of these systems, please view our overview video. Vaportek offers a wide range of treatment solutions for areas from 2,000 to 200,000 cubic feet to meet your odor elimination needs. Our simple-to-use systems all feature up to a 5-year limited warranty, the same effective dry vapor technology, and similar guidelines for consumable storage and vapor release. They're all safe for occupied spaces with no evacuation required, and no ozone, hydroxyl, or fog is produced with our systems. All of our industrial systems are intended to deliver a powerful, fast, high-intensity treatment for remediation. So use of the 3X industrial and smoke odor solution formulas is recommended. Each system boasts 270 hours of consumable life, and they're all lightweight with handles for easy portability. Vaportek's Restorator and Restorator DUO each measure roughly 7 inches high, 5 inches wide, and 11 inches long, and weigh in at 4 pounds. Both feature industrial fans and cover up to 20,000 cubic feet. Use of the 3X industrial and SOS cartridge consumables is recommended for each system, and both feature general cartridge installation. However, there are some differences between the Restorator and Restorator DUO. The Restorator's body is comprised of strong 22-gauge clad steel, while the Restorator DUO is comprised of durable polypropylene. The CSA and UL-listed Restorator requires AC power to run, while the Restorator DUO is intended for areas without power and utilizes a rechargeable battery pack, but can also operate with AC power. Both Vaportek's Vapor Shark and Portable Industrial can be used freestanding or can be permanently mounted. Each one features aluminum housing and industrial blowers. Both feature general membrane installation and removable racking. The 3X Industrial and Smoke Order Solution, SOS, membrane consumable is recommended for both systems. However, there are some differences between the Vapor Shark and Portable Industrial. The Vapor Shark covers areas from 10,000 to 50,000 cubic feet, using 1 to 5 membranes, and is CSA and UL listed, while the Portable Industrial is capable of covering 20,000 to 200,000 cubic feet, using 1 to 10 membranes. The Vapor Shark measures 14 inches high, 8 inches wide, and 17 inches long, and weighs 10 pounds, while the Portable Industrial measures 19 inches high, 12 inches wide, and 20 inches long, and weighs 17 pounds. All of our commercial and residential systems are intended as a long-term treatment solution for ongoing odor issues. For odor elimination, Vaportek's neutral formula is available in high-output cartridges for the Optimum 4000 and in easy discs and bricks for the Vaportronic. We also offer a full line of aromatic fragrances, including lemon, linen, vanilla, and lavender. Vaportek's Optimum 4000 and Vaportronic 2.0 both have adjustable dry vapor output features. They both offer a long consumable life of 1 to 4 months and are virtually silent during operation. Each system can be used freestanding or can be mounted with the Vaportek supplied permanent mounting installation accessory. However, there are some differences between the Optimum 4000 and Vaportronic 2.0. The Optimum 4000 is AC powered and features a 22-gauge steel case. It's rated at 20,000 cubic feet and uses cartridges and is CSA and UL listed. The battery-operated Vaportronic 2.0 offers the versatility to treat 2,000 to 10,000 cubic feet using 1 to 5 easy discs or easy bricks as consumables, and features a durable polypropylene casing. To learn more,